Hello everyone, and welcome back to Optima, home of the Optima APOS series product group. In this video, we're going to look at the freeform text module right after this. This module allows you to set up functions which can be linked to your keyboard, allowing the clerks to enter freeform text at any point while entering transactions. For example, let's set up a freeform text allowing the user to enter a customer name when entering a takeout order. Press on the plus or insert button to create a new entry. Enter the caption and select whether the entered caption should be printed on the receipt. The variable text option allows you to print the variable text entered by the clerk, in this case, the customer's name. The print on bottom will determine where the caption and variable text will appear on the receipt. As usual, you may also select your printers, and in this case, the size of the print font. On GoPOS, pressing on the customer name key will display a pop-up window allowing the clerk to enter the customer's name. This text will be displayed in the transaction window and will be printed on the receipt based on the options defined. Let's duplicate this entry and create a new entry for takeout orders. In this case, we will want the clerk to enter a telephone number. And this time, we will only print the variable text without the caption. Once we add this function to one of our keys, clerks can now enter a phone number when taking orders for delivery, or for any other tracking purposes. In fact, they may use any of the freeform text functions anytime while entering transactions. Well, that is it for freeform text, but stay tuned, and in the next video, we're going to have a closer look at creating macros.
Why don't you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get notified as soon as we upload any new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about the Optima APOS series line of products or need any POS accessories such as barcode scanners, printers, Windows PC POS terminals, and more, visit www.optimagopos.ca. Again, that's www.optimagopos.ca. I'm Brandon from Optima, and I'll see you again.